Hello fellows, this is me again, Sandro. In this video I will try to show how Flake8 should work. Sure, if you have no problem with its installation. By the way, let's remember how to install Flake8. Sudo apt install Flake8. That's it. I already have it installed. Everything is okay. Just to ensure, let's see if there are some updates. Nothing. Good. So, to do what I intend, first I will type the code of Flake8. At truth, I already created a template. And to see Flake8 in action, after execute it, we will rerun to see everything fixed and make sure that nothing will be wrong according to we wish to follow, that is the Flake8 patterns. Okay, just a note, for Eclipse PyDev we don't have Flake8 plugin ready to install from Eclipse Market. What for me is good, this way I can do it by myself, but I will use what I already have here, my single script, and we'll solve this in a few days. Okay, now it's show time. Let's rock. Here in my package dummies I will create a new model which I will call validating, nope, checking Flake8. As I said, I have created a template with some errors to execute Flake8 analyzer. So let's run this one. It's loaded. One interesting thing that we should know, if you run this code, we will have no issues, we will have no problems. Just to double check, Python run. Okay, here it was executed without any exception or error. Okay, so now we will do this. Let's run Flake8. Here are our list of problems. So we have all this to solve, from beginning until the end. Expected 2 blank lines, found 0, blank line contains white space, here also, 2 many blank lines at 26 line. Also, block comments should start with some space. 4 occurrences. Here, once again, expected blank line. Here it throws for us that exists white space before double points. Also 1, 2, 3, 4 occurrences. And here he said that is missing white space around arithmetic operator. 1, 2, 3 occurrences. Say for us to do not use bar except. Asking for blank line. Asking for 2, found 1. Missing white space around operator. Blank line. So let's fix all this one and rerun after our flake. Over here, one, here we have this problem that for occurrences. Here I have did a comment out of patterns, missing this white space, type hints out of patterns that was this double points white space before, and here arithmetical operators missing space. So let's fix. And here, and here, and here, and also here. Here we need to do this. Here there are no space needed here, and here should be replaced by this. And here we have solved it. Here we have the blank spaces, white spaces. Here we have this. This we have this. Here we have this one. And here this. Here it is expected only one. So now in one line without blank spaces, white spaces. And here we solve it, fix it, fix it, fix it. Here we already fix it. Here the comment is perfect. Position of main method out of pattern. Yes, here he wants another line. Here also remove this and more one. And to the end of file we just need one line. So I guess we solve all those exceptions. To ensure that we need to rerun Flake8. Oops, I forgot to fix the except, and also missing white space around model operator line. Okay. So here we need to do this. We need to come here. Fix this and this. This is the operator. And he said for us about the length of this message. According to Flake8, should don't have more than 79 characters. So what we have to do? I don't want to break this line, and here I will put an exception to be ignored in our PEP. I will come here, I will come here and do this. Add as ignored parameter. We'll save. We'll come here and run. Remains the except. Here. Base exception as base except and raise this. Now you can come here, rerun, and that's all. Now we have our code very closer to all Flake8 patterns, except to those I put in ignore parameter for Flake8 analyzer. Okay, I hope it could be very helpful, and for now it's all, and see you all in the next. My best regards, keep coding, keep rocking, bye bye.